Okay, hi everyone. Welcome again to Accenture EXPO. This is the second day of our exhibition. Welcome for those who were not here yesterday, as it used to be common that we have EXPO on a real venue, physical venue. This year, obviously, it's not possible, but we anyway decided to bring you some interesting content from local Accenture office. We're actually broadcasting live from Bratislava office. My name is Jura Schmid, and I will be your guide through the exhibition. We are standing in front of the Client Innovation Studio where all the fancy stuff is happening here in Bratislava. Today, we also have something new for you. So there are some prizes. You have to listen carefully what we are talking about, what I will be talking and my colleagues when they will be introducing the demos. So you can win these interesting prizes, some books, a smart button for some gadget geeks, and a surprise in this bag. All right, so let's jump into it. But before we start, as we did yesterday, please take your seat, make yourself comfortable, take a cup of coffee, take something to eat, and we can start. All right, so what we're going to see today, it will be pretty much same structure. So we show you something from what we call Tech for Business domain. And of course, a part of introduction, we show you something from AWS Amplify, how you fast prototype with this service. And we will tell you something about our video analytics services platform, how you can bring a computer vision project live very fast, and how the AWS services can help you with that. In the second block, we will go through Tech for Good examples, and there you will have a chance to see how we approach the innovation mindset in our company. We have some internal global competition through which we're collecting perfect ideas, and then we are bringing them live. And then you will see, again, a very nice example how we cooperate with NGOs. And this will be a very nice example how the enterprise solution can be used in a different purpose than typically. But before we jump into that, let's go back to the backstage of OpenSlava. Yesterday you had a chance to see just a little bit. Now we will also interview a couple of guys. So let's go. Hi, OpenSlava crew. How is it going? Everything fine?
Perfect as usual.
Perfect. Okay. So we have Robo here, who is a program manager, and I have two questions to Robo. So what is different on this year's OpenSlava? It's the 8th edition. So
Yes.
How is it different?
So as you can see, now we are virtual. We started with the program 6 months ago. At the time, the first wave of COVID just started. And at the time, we didn't know how it will end up. So we had a couple of options how we will tackle that. We could do it on site. At the time, we thought that in October, everything will be fine. We could postpone it. We were thinking about even skipping this year. But at the end, we decided to take it virtually. At the end, it helped us with the opportunity to bring really top speakers across the world because they do not have to travel. So I think this year you can really enjoy best speaker ever we had. So I hope you will like it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And okay, so let's see how it works when we are in touch with the speakers and how it all works. So can you maybe describe what are you doing here?
Hello. So basically, as you can see, we are all hardwired and ready for the speakers to arrive, and then they can go live to you. We first test them before they join the live stream. They enter a testing room and we say hello. We take a look at the image quality, at the sound quality, and when we make sure that it's all up and running, we then stream them live. Besides that, we are also here in the live chat. So in case you're talking to people with these Accenture greater than symbols, you are most probably talking to us. So we hope you're enjoying it.
Okay, perfect. Thanks for introduction, guys. So maybe starting with the program. So first, we go to the technology for business part, and there we will start with some nice video that actually explains what we do in that area. So Houston, back to you. Please play the video.
Now more than ever, we're witnessing technological transformation happen across every aspect of commerce and society. A reality where virtual workplaces are rapidly emerging everywhere. Supply chains being redrawn alongside accelerated automation, all while workers collaborate and communicate more than ever before. Welcome to a new world where Accenture technology is making digital transformation happen at speed and at scale. A world where we kept the UK's 1.2 million health and social workers operational during the pandemic by connecting them all virtually in just 7 days. Where our MyNav solution draws insights from our 30,000 cloud projects to determine the right cloud architecture for your business, then simulates it and tests it. A world where MyConcerto connects clients with leading partners like SAP, Microsoft, Oracle, Salesforce and Workday every day. And where we rolled out a single compensation platform across 46 countries in 22 languages and 18,000 employees, all whilst working 100% remotely. Welcome to a world where change is constant. A world where we help clients outmaneuver uncertainty and deliver the impossible every day. Welcome to a world that is ours to shape together, where we help you deliver on the promise of technology, now more than ever.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. So what you could see is a really large-scale innovation and digital transformation for really large clients. We are proud that we are part of that development, and in our center here, we have something which is called the Nano Lab. That's the place where all the experimentation with the newest technology is happening. And you can see a couple of installations here. For instance, this is to show the supply chain. All is driven by the newest Oracle technologies. Or you can see an installation for the digital identity, which is a very strong topic. We collaborate with our colleagues from the United States. And you have a team of architects and developers who are dealing with that. So digital identity is a topic that you had the chance to see on last OpenSlava EXPO. Behind me, you can see our 3D printers that significantly helped us during the first phase of COVID, where we produced like 1,000 parts and personal protective equipment. And on the shelves, you can see some other devices, especially extended reality, as we name commonly virtual reality and augmented reality. And there are also very interesting projects. So I mentioned that today we have a competition and we have prizes. So I'd like to ask you guys, if you were listening carefully, the first question is, which edition of OpenSlava is this year? So what's the number? And your responses we are expecting in the booth chat. So we'll be closely monitoring that. So let's start. Try to remember which was the number, and we will hand over to Vlado for the first demonstration from Tech for Business. So back to you, Houston.